That's a begging. That's a begging. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Freaking stud. Biggest bass of my life. I mean, this is the biggest bass of my life. Oh my gosh. Dude. Come on! No one's like me! That's insane. That was a freaking stud. I mean, that was a stud. Absolute stud. Got him. Come on, baby. Second biggest bass of my life. We're just out here getting them, plucking them out of the water. Freaking Robo worm magic, baby. I don't know how big that guy is. He's like maybe a 3-pounder. I don't really care. Gotta go stealth mode on him to catch some fish. Dude, I lifted that thing up and that fish went whoop. There's a lot of them in here. I'm gonna see that jig and everything. This fish did not care. Got him. Oh, I'm slamming them, dude. I'm slamming these things. What is that, 4 already? 4 in like one spot? Yeah, buddy. This one's quite monstrous. This one's probably bigger than all y'all's Johnsons. Think of that. Fishing sucks. You guys should never fish. Don't ever fish. Don't fish unless you want to freaking waste your life. They're in there. I see them. Freaking monsters. Come on. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Dude, these fish ain't eating. I don't know what more I can do. Like, I've thrown everything on them. They chase it. They just don't eat. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. There's a big one right here. I don't know if it's a bass, but it's a big one. Oh. Come on, man. It's one of the ones we need. Better. Freaking, he didn't want to touch it at first. Better fish. It's probably a 4-pounder. 4-pounder, baby. 425, boy. Send him back. Yes! That was a big fish. I haven't caught a lot of big drop shot fish this year, to be honest. I've been slacking. Finally freaking got another one. I hate netting them. Freaking finally. Gosh. It's like maybe a 3-pounder. 3-pounder, baby. Drop shot. Freaking thank you, dude. What is this?